Hey there, in this video we'll be looking at the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. So, let's get started. Right off the bat, I'm just going to say that they sound amazing, but that will come at a price. But before all that, let's go through the usual stuff. The earbuds comes with a charging case, a short Type-C USB cable, and ear tips of various sizes. Looking closer at the case, it is well built, made of plastic, and covered with fabric. The fabric looks nice, but I don't know how well it'll hold over time. Though the case should handle small bumps and drops without much issues. The case also has a battery inside since it's a charging case, and it charges through the Type-C port on the back. On the two sides of the Type-C port, there is an LED and a button to activate the LED. The LED indicates the charge and the battery status of the case and earbuds. It can be a bit confusing at first since the color and flashing pattern represents different things depending on whether the earbuds are inside and if the case is plugged in or not. But you'll get used to it after a bit of use. Opening the case, you'll find two cutouts with charging contacts and magnets for the earbuds. One thing to note is that I found the magnets to be a bit strong, so you need a good grip to pull the earbuds out. But unfortunately, you can't really get a good grip because the cutouts are too small for your fingers, and the shape and material of the earbuds make it a bit slippery. After some fumbling though, I did find a way to get the earbuds out, and that is by sort of prying them out like so. It is a little bit cumbersome, but it works consistently at least. The last thing I want to address is the size of the case. It is a bit too big to fit in most pants pocket, at least comfortably or without looking a bit silly. It is honestly just the height of the case that causes the issue. If it was slightly thinner, it probably would have been fine. But they would have to redesign the shape of the earbuds since it won't fit in a thinner case. And now let's move on to the earbuds. The earbuds are built well with quality plastic, albeit a bit slippery, and it's light enough to wear for a longer time. They fit snugly and comfortably and shouldn't fall out even if you're a bit active. And it also has IPX4 water resistant. I do wish it was rated a little higher, but it's still okay. The earbuds have auto power off when you put them back in the charging case, and has auto turn on and connect when you take them out. In the time I've used the earbuds, I did experience auto connect failing, but that's really rare. However, once the earbuds are connected, they are solid. As for the codec support, the Momentum True Wireless supports SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX low latency. While these are probably more than good enough, I would have loved to see them include aptX HD and LDAC. Since, you know, they're going for sound quality, so why not go all the way, right? Anyways, the earbuds each have a touch button, and the left ear lets you control play pause, next previous track, and volume down. The right lets you control answer and end call, voice assistant, transparent mode, and volume up. So pretty much left is all the media control, and right is the call and basic functions. It actually works out pretty well because that means that you can just use the right ear for calls and not need the left. Talking about calls, there are a few things I need to bring up. 1. There's no notification sound when the person on the other end hangs up. So you could be left talking to nobody because you didn't know the call ended. 2. I occasionally hear a very high-pitched sound during a call. Not sure if it's interference or something, or even maybe it's just my pair, but I thought I'd bring it up. And 3. There's no call hold or call switching function. Probably not commonly used, but cheap True Wireless earbuds have this function, so I'm not sure why it's missing here. There's one more thing I'd like to bring up, not directly related to calls, but it's the fact that the notification voice doesn't seem to be affected by the earbuds volume control. So if you have the earbuds turned down and the voice suddenly comes on, it can be a bit surprising. And now let's talk about the battery life. Actually, there's not much to talk about. The earbuds last 4 hours of playback and charges full in a little over an hour. It's not the best, but it's alright. Before we jump into audio quality, I would like to bring up the Companion app. It only has a few settings and info such as turning transparent mode on and off, setting music on and off during transparent mode, basic EQ, your choice of voice notification or beeps, and battery level. While there's nothing wrong with what's there, I am a bit disappointed in the lack of customization. For instance, I would have liked to have true EQ control with multiple control point as opposed to this single control point thing, the ability to save multiple EQ presets, notification sound volume level, remapping touch control, and maybe even music mix level in transparent mode. Basically what I'm trying to say is that I think the app is so underutilized and has so much potential to do so much more. I really do hope the app and somehow the earbuds can be updated with new functions in the future. And now, finally, the big thing, the audio quality. All I can say is that they sound awesome. Like, they're just really amazing. The sounds are smooth, but with tons of clarity. The bass is full, the sounds are tight, the highs are clear and detailed, balance is great, and soundstage is good too. It honestly sounds awesome. I believe that they are the best sounding true wireless earbuds out right now. But if you think there's another pair that can compare, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can get my hands on them. So, lastly, the price and conclusion. I mentioned in the beginning that the sound quality will come at a cost, and that cost is $300 US or 380 Canadian dollar. It is very expensive for most people. Actually, too expensive for most people. And that's before even considering some of its minor issues. But for those who don't mind the price and little issues, and just want the absolute best sounding true wireless earbuds out right now, then the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds are 100% the way to go. If you liked the video, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing if you haven't. And if you have anything else to say, leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.